Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Hello everyone. Are you looking to tone your lower body without hitting the gym? Here are some effective yoga poses you can try to strengthen your lower body. Today, we're going on a journey to explore the animal kingdom through the practice of yoga. Get ready to unleash your inner animal and tap into a world of strength, flexibility, and playfulness. We'll be flowing through 7 animal-inspired yoga poses that are not only fun but also incredibly beneficial for your overall well-being. So find a comfortable spot, roll out your mat, and let's begin. Chapter 1. Alright, beautiful souls, let's begin with the graceful butterfly pose or Titli Asana. Come to a seated position and gently bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall out to the sides. Imagine you're a butterfly, wings softly fluttering in the breeze. As you inhale, feel your spine lengthen, reaching the crown of your head towards the sky. And as you exhale, gently draw your heart towards your feet, feeling a delicious stretch in your inner thighs and hips. Remember, there's no need to force anything. Just breathe deeply and allow your body to soften into the pose. With each inhale, visualize those beautiful butterfly wings expanding, and with each exhale, feel any tension or stress melting away. This pose is a wonderful way to release tightness in the hips and groin, promoting flexibility and a sense of openness throughout the entire body. Keep breathing deeply, connecting with the gentle rhythm of your breath. Notice how this pose not only stretches your physical body, but also invites a sense of tranquility and peace into your mind. Stay here for a few more breaths, savoring the sweet stillness within. And when you're ready, slowly release the pose, extending your legs out in front of you. Take a moment to observe the sensations in your body, noticing any newfound openness or ease. Chapter 2. Now, let's transition into the fluid movement of cat-cow pose, also known as Chakravakasana. Come onto your hands and knees, aligning your wrists beneath your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips. As you inhale, gently arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin towards your chest and drawing your belly button towards your spine. Feel a gentle stretch along your entire back body, and as you exhale, transition into cow pose by dropping your belly towards the mat, lifting your chest and tailbone towards the sky, and gazing gently upwards. Imagine you're a cow, gracefully stretching its back after a long nap. Continue flowing between these two poses, synchronizing your breath with the movement. Inhale, arch like a cat, exhale, round like a cow. Allow your spine to move organically, like a wave flowing through your body. This gentle flow is wonderful for warming up the spine, releasing tension in the neck and shoulders, and improving overall posture and balance. It's like giving your spine a loving massage, releasing any stiffness or discomfort. Keep flowing with your breath, finding a rhythm that feels good for your body. Notice how this movement not only benefits your physical body but also brings a sense of calmness and focus to your mind. Chapter 3. Now, let's awaken our inner serpent with the invigorating Cobra pose or Bhujangasana. From cat-cow, slowly lower your belly down onto the mat, coming into a prone position. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders, palms flat on the mat, and hug your elbows in towards your sides. As you inhale, begin to lengthen through your spine, gently lifting your chest off the mat. Keep your shoulders relaxed away from your ears and broaden across your collarbones, creating space in your chest. Feel a gentle stretch along your entire spine, from your tailbone to the crown of your head. Imagine you're a cobra, gracefully rising up, chest open and heart shining bright. This pose is wonderful for strengthening the back muscles, opening the chest and shoulders, and improving spinal flexibility. As you hold the pose, remember to breathe deeply, sending your breath into any areas of tightness or tension. With each inhale, feel your spine lengthen and your heart lift. And with each exhale, surrender a little deeper into the pose. Chapter 4. Now, let's dive into the expansive fish pose or Matsyasana. Gently release from Cobra pose and lie down on your back. Bring your arms alongside your body, palms facing down. As you inhale, press into your elbows and forearms, lifting your chest and head off the mat. Gently tilt your head back, allowing the crown of your head to rest on the mat. Avoid putting any strain on your neck. feel a deep stretch through your chest, throat, and shoulders. Imagine you're a fish, gracefully gliding through the water, gills open and heart expansive. This pose is wonderful for opening the chest and lungs, improving posture, and calming the nervous system. As you hold the pose, breathe deeply, allowing your breath to expand your chest and fill your lungs with fresh oxygen. With each inhale, feel a sense of spaciousness and freedom. And with each exhale, release any tension or stress. Chapter 5. Downward Dog Pose. Find your foundation. Now, let's transition into the grounding downward dog pose, or Adho Mukha Svanasana. From fish pose, gently release your head and chest back to the mat. Then press into your hands and lift your hips up towards the sky, coming into an inverted V shape. Spread your fingers wide, pressing evenly through your palms and knuckles. Keep your arms straight and your shoulders relaxed away from your ears. Lengthen through your spine, reaching your tailbone towards the sky. Imagine you're a dog, stretching its entire body after a long nap. This pose is wonderful for strengthening the arms, shoulders, and legs, while also stretching the hamstrings, calves, and spine. As you hold the pose, remember to breathe deeply, sending your breath into any areas of tightness or tension. With each inhale, feel your spine lengthen and your body expand. And with each exhale, surrender a little deeper into the pose. Chapter 6. Camel Pose. Embrace the stretch. Now let's move into the gracefully challenging camel pose, or Ustrasana. From downward dog, gently come onto your knees, keeping your knees hip-width apart. Place your hands on your lower back, fingers pointing towards the floor. As you inhale, lengthen through your spine, and as you exhale, gently begin to arch your back, reaching your hands towards your heels. Keep your chest lifted, your core engaged, and your shoulders relaxed away from your ears. Avoid putting any strain on your neck. If it feels comfortable, you can release your hands and reach for your heels, keeping your chest lifted and your core engaged. Imagine you're a camel, gracefully arching its back in the desert sun. This pose is wonderful for stretching the chest, shoulders, and quadriceps, while also strengthening the back muscles and improving spinal flexibility. Chapter 7. Eagle Pose. Find your balance. Let's soar to new heights with the balancing eagle pose, or Garudasana. From camel pose, gently release back to your knees, and then come to a standing position. Ground your feet firmly into the mat and bend your knees slightly. Lift your left foot off the mat and cross it over your right thigh, hooking your left toes behind your right calf. Extend your arms forward at shoulder height and cross your right arm over your left, bending your elbows and bringing your palms to touch. Lift your elbows to shoulder height, keeping your shoulders relaxed away from your ears. Imagine you're an eagle, soaring high above the earth, with a clear vision and a steady focus. This pose is wonderful for improving balance, coordination, and concentration, while also strengthening the legs, ankles, and core. As you hold the pose, remember to breathe deeply, sending your breath into any areas of tightness or tension. With each inhale, feel your spine lengthen and your body find its center. And with each exhale, surrender a little deeper into the pose. And there you have it, my friends. 7 animal-inspired yoga poses to awaken your body, mind, and spirit. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. So be kind to yourself, listen to your body, and most importantly, have fun. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more yoga and wellness inspiration. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family so they can join in on the fun too. I'm sending you all so much love and light. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today.